Hi guys, welcome back to another great video. Today I have an AliExpress haul. Some of it, there's more. So if you want to see everything I got, you're in the right place. But before we get started, let's just get a little housekeeping out of the way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please just take a moment to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So anyway, if you want to see everything I got, let's get started. Alright guys, what kind of got me the idea of going and getting all of this extra makeup is my video that I did using the Eye Magic palette, which I'll leave a card to right up here. I was so impressed with the quality of that eyeshadow palette that I just decided to go ahead and get a whole bunch of stuff. Everything was really inexpensive. Nothing was more than $10 that I bought, so there's a lot here. And I just want to test them out and see if I could find some more diamonds in the rough out there. So I have a lot to get through, so I'm going to go pretty fast with the items. I'm going to put a little picture of them probably right here. One of these sides. Anyway, one of these sides, I'll have a picture of the item and then different colors that they come in. And then I'll also tell you the name of it and what the cost is as well. So I'm going to be reading off of my list here because I've got kind of some notices. The first one is by Pop Feel, and this is a 9-color eyeshadow palette. This comes in 3 different shades that you can get. So I went for the one with some more bold colors in that. And with free shipping on everything, so that's another thing I did is I chose the items with free shipping. This is only $2.45. The next item that I got is by Hold Live, and it is their Color Focus Rose Gold palette, which looks like so. You don't have a mirror in this one. This one was $4.99. And these are what the shades look like in there. So you get a nice mixture of some shimmers as well as mattes in that palette. This is one I picked up, and I can tell you right now, don't get it. It's bad. This is the, what is it? The Beauty Glazed. It's their textured shadow palette, and it's the Rose Gold edition. So I think they were trying to copy the Huda Beauty one, but this one is just absolutely horrible. It just, there's no pigment to anything that didn't blend out well. So this is one I've already played with. So I'm going to tell you right now, don't get this one. Even though I'm going to leave you a link on how to get it if you want to buy it, but I didn't care for it. Now I did pick up another Beauty Glaze palette because I did want to give them a second chance. So this one is the Burgundy palette, and this is $4.11. And from swatching this one looks pretty darn good. So I'm anxious to give this one a try. The next one I actually left in my bathroom because this is what I'm wearing on my eyes today, but it is the I'm going to butcher this, Hendayan Exotic Customs palette. This is what it looks like. I'll have a picture of it down there. This one is just gorgeous. It blended out so well, and I really like it. Really like it a lot. And that one was $8.39. Next one I picked up is another Eye Magic palette, and this is their 14-color eyeshadow palette. And this one comes with a nice little brush as well. These are the shades that you get in there, and that one was $9.10. This palette that I got is a Folklore. It's the Tropical Vacations eyeshadow palette. And just get the little protector out of there. This one is some great shades of the browns and the oranges and the tans and taupes. So that one I have, I'm sorry, I did use this one yesterday, and that one was really, really pretty. So I've really liked this one so far too. I am going to be putting these all to the test. So I'm going through everything just really quickly with you. And then after I get a chance to test some of these products out, I'll come back and I'll do a recap video on everything. So look for that coming up in the next couple of weeks or so. All right, the next one, and actually it's 2. These again are by Folklore, and it says, "We Care Your Favors." It's on both of them. But this is their 18-color eyeshadow palette. I got 01, which is in Bright Luxe. So These are the shades in Bright Luxe. And then this one is the 02 Neutrals. So those are those palettes. All right, this is the last one. This is FBK Dark Freedom eyeshadow. These names are just really interesting. And that is what this one looks like. And that one is $8.36. And I'm sorry, I think I missed a couple of prices. These ones here run $8.25. And that Tropical Vacation one was $5.06. So again, I haven't spent over $10 on any of these items. All right, now I'm going to show the concealer that I got. I actually picked up two different shades. I got 01 and 02. This is by Folklore. It's their concealer liquid. And I am going to go ahead and swatch these. These were what, $2.18 each. So this is number 1 and this is number 2, which you can see has a peachy undertone to it. So this might be good for color correcting. Appears to be really pretty thick and giving some pretty good coverage. So I'm really interested in trying these out, and $2.18 for those. All right, let's talk about some highlighters next. So this brand is the Miss Rose Glow Kit Highlighters, and I got colors 1, 3, and 4. So this is color number 1. That's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these while we have a chance to. Ooh, it's kind of pretty there. And then this one is number 3. I can get it open. There we go. So this is number 3, which is a pinky color. Again, swatching these isn't going to tell me right now if this is going to be showing any of my texture. And then number 4, unfortunately, shattered in shipping. So they did refund my money, but I just wanted to show you. Oops, there went a big chunk of it. That's kind of what it looked like. And still going to go ahead and swatch it for you. Okay, so this is number 1, number 3, and number 4. There. And those run $2.49 each. So anxious to see how these are going to look with, if they're going to like emphasize my texture on my skin or not. All right, these two just came in the mail today, so I will have to put the price down here at the bottom because I don't remember off the top of my head what it was. But these are by Folklore. They're Beam Baked Powder Highlights, and I got the color 03. These are pretty nice little cases with a mirror inside. So that is number 3. And then we have number 4. So have, oops, number 3 and then number 4 right there. All right, then I wanted to pick up some magnetic lashes. I have some Ardell ones that I'm trying to get the hang of how to use those. But I thought, hey, I'll just order these ones. They're really inexpensive because they were only $2.30. These things are huge. There's probably enough that you could cut them in half and do 2 whole eyes out of them. I mean, those are huge. Yeah, there's no curve to them whatsoever, so this one's going to be really challenging, but there's probably enough, seriously, you could cut off the ends and then have enough to do like the half lashes with these. So I'll play around and see how well they work. Next, I picked up some liquid lipsticks by Folklore, and I got 4 different shades of them. So I have number 5, number 8, number 6, and number 13. And let me go ahead and swatch these for you. First, I'll show you, this is what the applicator looks like on them. All right, these are the swatches. So we start with number 5, then we move to number 6, number 8, and number 13. And those went on pretty darn good. There's really no streaking or anything like that going on. Let's get this to focus. So I'm very anxious to see how these wear and if they get a dry feel to them throughout the day. I think they're going to stay pretty good. They're not coming off my hand very easily. That's a good sign. All right, then I picked up 4 of the Focalors lip liners. So these are a retractable liner. I've got colors 15, 16, 17, and 19. So this is color 15. So you can see they are retractable. Very creamy. Very pretty. And I'm going to swatch all these for you as well. All right, so here are the swatches. I'm going to start with number 15, 16, 17, and then 19. And actually these do have names on them. So 15 is D for Danger, 16 is Del Rio, 17 is Studded Kiss, and 19 is Dare You. Those feel very, very creamy. They definitely are smudging, but they went on really, really well. So curious to see how those are going to last on my lips too. Oh, and by the way, these are only $1.74. Then I decided to try some of the iMagic lipsticks. I picked up 2 colors in that, which is colors 2. I'll swatch these. Oh, that's so pretty. These are nice cases, by the way, very nice cases. And this is number 3. So that one's got more of a color, coral color to it. And those run $2.75. Right, this next one I think is pretty darn cool. I love the design of this. This is by Miss Rose, and it is their 2-sided. So on one end you have your lip liner, and then on the other end you have your lipstick. So I've actually gone ahead and already ordered some more shades of this, and this is in color 1 Showgirl, and these run $1.39. That's so creamy. Okay, this next lipstick, I don't have a clue how to say this. I'm going to try it. Cmaadu, C-M-A-A-D-U. I don't know that one. But it is their skull style design that they have. So they've got the little skulls on there. And these run $1.89, and I picked up colors 3 and 5. So let's go ahead and swatch those. Ooh. Ooh. Those smell so fruity, very sweet. So if scents bother you, you may not like that. Oh. All right, so those are those 2 shades right there. Again, very, very creamy. All right, there's a couple of items that still have not made their way to me yet. Hopefully I'll have them in time for me to test them out and show in my follow-up video. One of them is the, it's by Focalor. It's their Face Concealer Cream Pro, so I'm waiting for that to come in. And then I also ordered some more of the Focalor brand lipsticks, and they are the shades that are going to match the lip liners. So hopefully I'll have a good set there. And then I got a Canby, they call it their Molten Rock Heat Set. Does this remind you of anything? Yeah, and that is only $7.50. So curious to see what the quality is going to be like on that one as well. So that's a wrap up. That is my little AliExpress haul. That's just the makeup, man. I've been getting things like some earrings and stuff too off of there. So if you want to see some of the other things I got, like as far as earrings go, leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to share those with you as well. But again, I always click the free shipping so I don't have to pay for that. You've got to be a little bit patient because it does take some time to get the items to you. Some of them will have tracking numbers you can track. Some of them don't, for the most part, but you can always get your money back, of course, if nothing ever shows up on your doorstep. So that's the main thing. Oh, and by the way, they also partner up with EBATES, so you get 3% back on any of your purchases that you get as well through them. So it's another thing to keep in mind. And remember, I always have a link to signing up for EBATES down in my description box if you want to go sign up and start earning some cash back on your online purchases. So I think that's everything. Again, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But you want to make sure that you have a chance to see my follow-up video on all these products so I can let you know which ones are good and which ones you just want to pass on. So as always, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.